Hello, good morning students. In last period we have studied lesson number 13 methods of preserving food. So today we are going to study different methods of food preservation. So first one is drying. When we dry foodstuffs, their water content is lost. This method is used to preserve foodstuffs like papads, kurdai, sandge, wheat, dals, etc. The second method of food preservation is cooling. When food is placed in a refrigerator, microorganisms do not get the warmth they need for growth. See children, in the refrigerator, the temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, microorganisms cannot grow. So therefore, food is preserved. Now, the third method of food preservation is boiling. When foodstuffs are boiled, the microorganisms in them get destroyed. See, at home, your mother is boiling the milk from time to time and again cooling it. So, by this method, the microorganisms are killed. So, therefore, the milk is preserved. So, in this way, the other foodstuffs like curry, that also can be preserved by boiling. Now, the next fourth method of preservation of food is placing in airtight cans. When foodstuffs are preserved in airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuff. It means that to preserve foodstuffs, the microorganisms in them should be destroyed. Also, they must be placed in conditions in which microorganisms will not grow again. Children, now we'll see the activity of making a pickle. See, you have to perform this activity of making pickle at your home under the guidance of your mother and grandmother. Now, we'll see the materials required for making a pickle. A glass jar, a knife, a spoon, 7 to 8 lemons, a quarter bowl of salt, 2 spoons red chili powder, 1½ bowl sugar. These are the materials. Now we'll see the procedure of making pickle. Clean and dry the jar. Cut each lemon into 8 pieces. Put these pieces in the jar and add salt, sugar and chili powder. Mix the ingredients well with a dry wooden or steel spoon. Tie a clean piece of cloth over the mouth of the jar and keep it in the sun for about 10 days. Stir it every day with a clean dry spoon. Your hands too should be clean and dry. So perform this activity of making pickle and enjoy your pickle. Now we'll study about the preservatives. See, certain substances are added to jams and pickles to preserve them for a long time. They are called preservatives. Sugar, salt, isaftida. Isaftida means hing. Mustard, oil and vinegar are examples of preservatives. Now children, we'll study about spices which are used for making masala. See, much of the variety in the taste of our foods is due to spices. Every spice has a different flavor or taste. They have strong tastes and flavors and are therefore used in very small quantities. Spices can be dried and stored for a long time. They can be mixed and powdered to make many different masalas. Different spices are obtained from specific parts of different plants. See, now we are going to see some of the examples of spices such as elaichi, dalchini, clove, that is lavang, black pepper, that is kali miri, and again coriander seeds, dhania and jeera. See, these are the some of the examples of spices. See children, always you have to remember that when buying food in sealed bags or boxes, make sure you check the expiry means use before date printed on it. See, if expiry date is over, then such type of foodstuffs we should not use because they are harmful for our health. Students, what we learned from the lesson? See, if pickles, jams, papads, etc. are made in the right season, they can be enjoyed for the whole year. If air, water, and warmth are available, microorganisms grow rapidly. Rapidly means fast in foodstuffs. Some microorganisms cause the foodstuffs to get spoiled. Drying, cooling, boiling, and canning foodstuffs, as also adding preservatives to them, are the different methods of preserving food. So, I hope you understood the lesson. For better understanding, read the lesson once again and do the homework properly.